Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to reduce the size of multiple image files all at once in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Mac or Linux operating system on your respective computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. So I'll be providing this software developer website link in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this software developer website link. And once you open this website, you can see on the right side releases. Just click on it. So just below the assets, you can see our different types of files. Like if you are using a Linux, then you can download this .app image file, and if you're using a Mac computer, then you can download this .dmg or .dmg.blockmap. This for Mac, and the first one is for Linux. And if you're using a Windows, then you can download this .exe or .exe.blockmap. So I have already downloaded and installed this software, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install this software. Then after that, just open the software. On opening the software, you will see this kind of user interface, right? So it's a very straightforward. So on the first option, you are going to see a quality. So how you want to retain the quality. If you want to keep it to the 100%, you can keep it. So I'll just reduce it to the 70%. So you can keep it to 100% also, whichever you like. And you can overwrite the original files also if you wish, if you want to overwrite. So I'll just disable this, and you can just enable the percentage keep ratio, that is the photo resolution size. You can keep it as the original size and resize is 100%. So you can format it or convert it to your original image format. If your image is a PNG, then it will be converted again to the PNG, or if you want to change it, then you can just click on it and you can select different image format. So I'll just select a PNG here, so you can keep it as original also. And you can change this output folder also. To change this, click on this folder and select your respective output folder. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. And once your all settings are done, you can see here upload option. Just click on it. Now let me lock it to the folder where I've kept all the photos. So in my case, I'll be selecting the desktop folder. So I'll just click on select. Now it will select all the image files. As you can see here, all the image files have been selected. So now you can start it all at a time by clicking on start all, or if you want to start it one by one, then you can just click on start. And if you want to delete some images which you don't want to reduce the size, then you can just select or cancel this by clicking on this cross icon. So now I will click on the start all, and you need to wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see all the images which I have selected has been reduced, that is the size has been reduced. So now let me go to the output folder, so you can see all the output folders. So you can see here the size, the first image is 129 KB. So you can check here also how much image size has been reduced. As you can see, the image resolution has been kept like the original, as you can see here. And you can see here the first image file has been compressed to 68%, and below is a 59%, and the third image is compressed to the 51%. So you can see the size difference. So I have almost reduced half the size of each and every image files. So using this application, you can reduce the size of multiple image files all at once in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about this very useful software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.